Hello everyone, I'm excited to share a wonderful news with you all. Our school is organizing Nacha Contriva SkillUp Expo 2025 to encourage scientific thinking in the fields of science and robotics. At the expo, our students will be displaying projects on science behind the functioning of the household appliances.
As a part of the expo, for the first time in Tirupur, our school will be hosting a special air show, a spectacular drone expo and an exciting drone simulation session. The Nacha Contriva SkillUp Expo 2025 will be held on Friday 28 November 2025 from 9 am to 3 pm.
Let us celebrate learning together at Nacha Contriva SkillUp Expo 2025. See you all on November 28.